Alright, we have got a question. Square root of x plus square root of x equals to x. Solution. Then by copy what we have square root of x plus square root of x equal to x. Okay. And if you add this square root of x, we shall get 2 square root of x equals to x. Okay. And we shall divide 2 on both sides to get square root of x equals to x over 2. Okay. And by square both sides, in order to remove this root we have right here, we shall get x over x squared over 4. Then by cross multiplication we shall get 4x equal to x squared. By rearranging, we shall say x squared equals to 4x. Okay. By grouping like terms, x squared minus 4x equals to a 0. Okay. And have to factorize this quadratic to get x minus 4. X times x minus 4 equals to a 0. And we shall say x equals to 0 or x minus 4 equals to a 0. Therefore, x equals to 0 or x equals to 4. But here we have to check if our answer is correct. Okay. Here we have given square root of x plus square root of x equals to x. And here we have seen that square root of 4 plus square root of 4 equals to 4 question mark. 2 equals plus 2 equals 4 question mark. 4 equals 4. Left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that this value is correct. Whereas right here we have square root of 0 plus square root of 0 equals to 0, so that 0 equals to 0, and this is a solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.